Welcome to this peaceful time just for you. A chance to breathe, relax, and to let go of fear. Fear can hold us back from being who we really are. Sometimes it's fear of being wrong, fear of not being good enough, or even fear of love. But today, with the help of Reiki and two very special Archangels, Michael and Chamuel, we are going to let go of that fear. Imagine how wonderful your life could be without fear holding you down. Imagine being free to follow your heart, to trust yourself, and to walk your path with confidence and ease. In this meditation, we'll call on Reiki energy and the loving guidance of Archangels Michael and Chamuel to help you release fear and feel safe, strong, and supported. Releasing these fears allows you to live more freely, embrace spiritual growth, and deepen your connection to your true self and all that is. You don't need to do anything, just breathe, listen, and allow the healing. Are you ready? Let's begin. Find a quiet space, sit or lie down, whatever feels most comfortable. Close your eyes gently, relax and take a few deep grounding breaths. Inhale calm and exhale tension. Take a few moments now to gently bring to mind any fear you feel ready to release. It may be a fear that you're aware of already, such as a fear of failure, judgment or rejection, a fear of the unknown, fear of success, of intimacy and vulnerability, fear of change, fear of death or loss, fear of abandonment, fear of not being good enough, fear of being seen or not seen. Or you may simply choose to hand it over to the universe, trusting that whatever is ready to be transformed will gently rise and be released. Now imagine you are surrounded by a soft golden light. This is the loving energy of Reiki. It knows exactly what you need. Say silently or out loud right now, I open to receive Reiki healing now. Visualize a beautiful golden light descending from above, flowing gently into the crown of your head. This is the source of Reiki, divine healing energy that surrounds and nourishes you. Inhale deeply and silently express gratitude for this healing light, welcoming its presence fully into your being. Now invite Archangel Michael, the Archangel of protection and courage. See him standing beside you with his beautiful blue light and shining sword of truth. Visualize a radiant blue light forming around you, wrapping you in love and protection. Imagine Michael standing on your right-hand side, his gentle yet powerful energy resonating with compassion and confidence. Now invite Archangel Chamuel, the Archangel of pure love and peace. Feel her warm pink light wrapping around your heart. Visualize a radiant pink light forming around you, wrapping you in love and protection. Imagine Chamuel standing on your left-hand side, her gentle yet powerful energy resonating with compassion and confidence. Speak directly to the Archangels now, sharing your feelings openly as you would with a dear friend. If words don't come easily, simply focus on the feeling. and let Archangel Michael and Archangel Chamuel sense your heart's intention. And repeat, Archangel Michael and Archangel Chamuel, I call upon your loving strength and courage to help me release this fear and replace it with love. I trust you to hold this burden with love and compassion. Please guide me in letting go of the fear that dims my light and keeps me from living fully. As the Reiki energy continues to flow, visualize Archangel Michael and Archangel Chamuel gently placing their hands on your heart. See radiant pink light dissolving the fear, lifting it from your heart and transforming it into light. As the fear dissolves, feel warmth and peace filling the space where fear once lived. Let's begin a special kind of breathing right now. Breathe in strength and breathe out fear. Breathe in love and breathe out uncertainty. With each breath, imagine the fear leaving your body as a dark mist. Archangel Michael now gently cuts the cords that have been tying you to those fears, and Archangel Chamuel fills every space with pure, loving energy. And as the Reiki energy continues to flow gently through you, and as Archangels Michael and Chamuel remain lovingly by your side, let's begin to speak words of strength and light. These words, or affirmations, are here to uplift, empower, and remind you of who you truly are. As I say each one slowly, with pauses, you can repeat them softly in your heart or out loud. I am safe and supported. I release all fear now. I trust myself and the universe. I am guided by love. I choose courage. My heart is open and strong. I am free to be myself. I let go of what no longer serves me. I welcome peace into my life. I shine my light with confidence. I believe in my path. I am protected by divine love. I stand in my truth. I am worthy of all good things. I listen to my soul. I choose love over fear. I am calm, centered, and clear. I am growing every day. I am deeply connected to my higher, true self. I am whole, healed, and free. And finally, I release this fear now and forever. I am free. I am safe. I am held in love. Wonderful. Take a moment to feel the shift within you, the peace, the clarity, and the strength. Know that Archangels Michael and Chamuel are still supporting you, and that the Reiki energy will continue to work gently until everything has been completed. Thank Archangel Michael and Archangel Chamuel for their presence, love, and assistance. Express gratitude for Reiki and the healing it has provided. Visualize the Reiki light gently fading, grounding you back into your body. Take a few deep breaths, carrying this light and empowerment within you. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Sit quietly for a few moments, allowing yourself to adjust to the present. Know that the release has taken place and trust that healing is unfolding in divine timing. Take a few more deep breaths. Feel your feet on the ground, your body calm, and your heart open with love. You are safe. You are free. You are deeply loved. Thank you for joining me on this wonderful journey. May the gentle power of Reiki and Archangels Michael and Chamuel continue to bring you peace, love, and freedom from fear in your life. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support this channel and help others find this healing energy. Until next time, stay open to healing, trust your journey, and remember, you are deeply loved.